Philippines. This is gonna be my first SQ experience with
plane,
my love. Is it? Very huge space and it smells good. Then it will enable the face tracking, so whenever I speak they will follow you. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm always at the center. So guys, I cannot even face it to Sian. Here now. First time trying the ube sago. How is it? Yeah. Is it too sweet for you?
I think one is okay. Maybe if I have more than one, then yes, it will be too sweet.
The rice portion. I know, right? This is a small rice. This is cause that's why I think she was asking, do you want one small rice? Then someone I corrected her. Two small rice. Cause I thought it's this cup. This is the gising. First Philippine food in Philippines. I've never heard of gising actually. Is it salty? Is it too sweet? Is it?
Maybe more salty. A bit like your Thai green curry.
Oh, yeah, that's true. A double.
That's just fat.
With vinegar.
Oh.
Sour. It's too... Oh, now it's too salty already. But it's okay when you eat it with rice. This is also sweet. I love. Yeah. That's this watermelon taste. It's like winter... They use it as winter melon.
That's not a bad idea.
True. Like use whatever you have, right? For me, I find it salty and watermelony. The soup. Does it taste Chinese?
A bit salty.
Right.
But the melon taste is the same as
Pear or cucumber. Yeah. Okay, let's eat. Oh yeah. Eee. We're on the way to Intramuros.
baka sakay na nila.
Okay, so we're in. I just found out of this. We're in San Agustin Church in Intramuros, Philippines. Yay! How do you like the look of the church? I thank you, babe. This looks like Portugal.
It would be very similar.
Yes.
It reminds me of the churches in Europe.
I know, that's what I was telling him. Here's the bride. Ang ganda, di ba? Nila mo na
Yeah, hey, good job.
What?
of this. Can you bow for me?
Almost.
Oh, so cute. Oh, yeah, you can, then you can also...
Hi.
Yeah. Alright.
Wow, and so handy. Can I hold it? Oh
Yeah,
my
can.
god, it turns.
Yeah, because it's
Like
so
a
light.
Yeah, it's so light.
Wow.
So nice.
So I don't have to carry big DSLR.
So I don't have to carry the big deals.
Oh, he.
So actually, it's your gift, right?
So you wanna get married here?
Uh,
The first church that we. Are you ready to ride the electric scooter? They say it's chariot or chariot.
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 I mean, it looks like you're riding a chariot, I suppose.
What is a chariot?
It's like that, right?
True. That looks like it. Cool. See, she's handling in one hand. Oh, 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 oh. So cool. All geared up. Gets mo na? Izzy, you rather walk?
Yan si Ate Joy, oh. Ate Joyce. Joyce.
Ate Joy!
Yes, to. Yan, lagyan mo. Food. Yan, let's go.
Woo! Careful, careful! See you now. Ikaw naman, Rinet. Oh! Kaligay! I laugh later also. Kaya mo yan. Gusto magpalit?
Oh my gosh!
Sige, sige. Imagine mo lang.
Diretso. See you now, is it?
Kung gusto mo lumit, gagawin.
Okay, it's my turn. Okay.
I think it's a harness that you get.
I know, right?
Point line laser.
Old church. So we're actually at one of the distracted churches here in Intramuros City by the World War II. And this church has turned into a museum. How do you feel about the museum?
I don't know.
feel like you're not satisfied. Still got a lot of questions.
There are a lot of questions.
I know, same. Are you gonna ask something? Altar
We are
from
looking at
the...
the vision backwards.
Jump shot. Sian. Good job, my love. Welcome to Fort Santiago. Tara na, dam, balik na. We're exiting the Fort Santiago. How was it?
It's not bad.
Yeah, it was so fun. So we're like in an electric scooter, and then everyone was thinking, oh, the museum is here. Everyone thinks we're so cool. Everyone thinks we're the cool kids. That was a good experience inside the rich people's house. You can eat now. Why? Is it because of the mayonnaise?
No, mayonnaise is fine. The patty is different.
Ooh.
Try?
I don't get the McDonald's feel, like compared to Singapore. Like Jollibee?
Not as sweet as Jollibee.
Oh. Not salty. Matcha McFlurry. Did we have that?
I don't know if now have, but nice.
Nice. Tastes like the matcha
I think if we had eaten it on
smoothie.
before it melted,
Yeah.
it would have been a bit nicer.
Now it's soup.
Now it's ice cream soup, but
Nice? Not bad. Is it so sweet? Okay.